Has this ever happened to you? There has to be a better way. Introducing the LG Tone Free FP9 wireless earbuds. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Apple may have started the trend of wireless earbuds back in 2016 with the AirPods, but since then, every other tech giant has also tried their hand at replicating the same success. LG's latest offering, the Tone Free FP9, is a powerful set of Bluetooth earbuds with some surprisingly cool tech built in. I'll show you what I mean. Specs and features. The LG Tone Free FP9's charging case comes equipped with what they call UVnano, an antibacterial UVC light for sterilizing the earbuds while they're charging. More than just a gimmick, ultraviolet lamps have been proven to kill up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. It's the same germicidal light that's inbuilt into the charging case, killing anything trying to live on the earbud's speaker grill. With the earbuds fully charged, you've got up to 10 hours of continuous playtime, after which you can get another full charge and a half from the charging case. Pairing is super simple to either Apple or Android devices. LG recommends you download their Tone app from your phone's app store to walk you through the process, but if you've paired a Bluetooth device before, you can get connected pretty quickly. Having said that, the LG app does have some pretty cool EQ and customizable settings, but it's not necessary if you want to just start listening right away. The earpieces come in 3 different sizes for comfort and are made out of medical-grade hypoallergenic silicone. Each earbud is fitted with 3 microphones. An inner and an outer mic processes its noise-canceling features, as well as a mic on the lower aspect of the earbud for crystal clear voice pickup, even in loud environments. They're also rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance, making them the perfect wireless workout buddy. And as for the sound quality, Meridian provides the tuning for an unreal spatial and immersive experience. Even the default EQ settings delivers pristine quality with impressive bass. So, what do we like about the LG Tone Free FP9? The sound quality on the FP9s is amazing. The 3D soundstage EQ setting provides an immersive sensory experience. Spatial upmixing to expand the soundstage fully immerses you in a sensory audio experience, whether you're listening to music, watching a TV show or movie, or playing a game. And active noise canceling lets you shut out the unwanted distractions in your life. And while I wasn't concerned about ear viruses before, with the UVnano charging case, it's nice to know my earbuds are clean. And one of the coolest features with the FP9s is plug-in wireless. What's that mean? Well, the plug-in wireless feature lets you connect your earbuds to devices even without Bluetooth capabilities, like in-flight entertainment systems, gaming consoles, treadmills, and much more. So, what's the downside? Despite being ergonomically designed with a range of earplugs to fit the majority of ears, occasionally, your ear canal is just the wrong size. And losing an expensive earbud while jogging isn't fun. So, what are other people saying about the LG Tone Free FP9s? Sergeant Al wasn't too happy. He says, "I like the size and fit of these. The app is not great at all, and it took several tries just to get the earbuds to connect to the app. Equalizer settings are nothing to write home about, and I tried all settings, including setting a custom one." Nero was a little more impressed. "The ear is not stuffy, and it's very comfortable to wear. I suffered from otitis externa before. The ear tips are so good that my ears are comfortable." So, what's the verdict? With their Tone Free FP9s, LG has managed to release high-end wireless earbuds that have more than enough cool features and inclusions to justify their price. We give them 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the LG Tone Free FP9s could be yours. We'll be giving them away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our LG Tone Free FP9s, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you're paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.